I'm gonna go ring the doorbell.
No.
Yes.
But really, no.
Yes. We're having a war between who wants to and who doesn't want to. I want to do it. But I don't. I'm already here.
Huh?
I'm gonna ring it. No one came. I'm proud of myself, but I don't want to get in trouble. But is it really possible? I'm a mystery.
Or is it just that person in the house is just dead?
I just rang the doorbell. I'm scared. Help me. I just need a doorbell. I've always wanted a doorbell. It felt awesome to ring a doorbell. You know what's weird? I had one, but I never rang it. I just rang a doorbell. I don't want to get in trouble.